What's going on? Back with the Marvel Collect. I have the window open and it's summertime, so expect a lot of noise or strange noises from the outside. Probably a lot of cars and sirens and all that stuff. So there are some really nice store cards that just went into the store. I'm gonna claim the free editor's choice first, which is let's see who that is. Drax, which I think is Guardians of the Galaxy, correct? Think. So I'm gonna just do the free stuff real quick. 2000 mystery box. America Chavez, Prowler, Iceman, Drax, Wasp, Spider-Man. And free spin. Number 1. Sif. Number 2. Hyperon, and last free spin. $2,500 coins. The Asgardian Collection, and pretty much says mingle with the gods of the Asgardian Collection. Asgardian heroes, so begin adding rare Son of Odin, Mighty Women of Asgard cards. And then you can get motion, which is epic, but that's going to be cost some real money. There's a lot that you can get. Pretty much these are the uncommon, rare, pretty cool. Women, purple. They look freaking amazing. And some more women. And so I'm just gonna open 75. Maybe I'll do 25 packs and that's it. I mean, that would be perfect. Actually, can't get any more perfect than that. So let's see. Bring it down to 500,000. First one was Marvel, Ant-Man, and first one, hopefully, is that one, and She-Hulk, blue, which is uncommon, so that was a nice one to get. Hellcat, She-Hulk, War Machine, and Cloak. She-Hulk, Storm, Deadpool, Iceman. Miles Morales, Hope Summers, Spider-Woman, Magic. Spider-Woman, Cyclops, Iron Man. Angel, Magneto, wow. That's pretty funny. Gamora, Doctor Strange, Spider-Man, Sentry, Dagger, Thor, Quicksilver, Fing Fang Foom, Psylocke, Jubilee, Iceman, Deadpool, Fing Fang Foom, Hulk, Kang, Deadpool, Medusa, Spider-Man, Professor X, Jessica Jones, Groot, Hulk, Dr. Octopus, Wasp, and another Spider-Man, pretty awesome, Jubilee, Kang, Magneto, Jubilee, Quicksilver, War Machine, Spider-Woman, Hyperon, Venom, Jubilee, Iron Man, Luke Cage, Red Skull, and first rare is Valkyrie. Oh, it looks awesome. And Magic. Moon Knight, Hawkeye, Colossus, Dr. Octopus. Black Cat, Hyperon, War Machine, Kang. Jubilee, Hellcat, Jean Grey, Red Skull. Jubilee. I'm not sure who that is. Magneto and Doctor Strange. About 5 more left. Exactly 5 more left. Thor, Black Cat, Groot, and another duplicate. Nice. Lori Lee. Hawkeye, Cable. 3 left. And Doctor Strange. Not sure who he's fighting, but that's definitely Doctor Strange. Scarlet Witch. And Luke Cage. I was going to wonder if it was Scarlet Witch that he was fighting, but doesn't look like it. Hope Summers, Valkyrie, Ms. Marvel, Vision, and last one, Pack 25. America Chavez, Colossus, Storm, and I forget his name, but that's Thor's evil brother. And one last one for good luck. Kingpin. Nice. Another uncommon. Storm. Doctor Strange. And let's do one more. Keep the streak going. Nice. Hela or Hela. Pretty sick. Quicksilver. Hope Summers. Fing Fang Boom. And so that was 3, 28, 29. Might as well keep going. Keep the streak going. Iron Fist, Valkyrie, Thor, Fing Fang Foom, and 30. Iron Fist, Red Skull, Iron Man. I believe that's Iron Man. And Storm. And let's go 31. One last one. Ms. Marvel, Doctor Strange, Moon Knight, and let's do maybe 35 then. Ghost Rider, Captain Marvel, Scarlet Witch, and maybe 33. Carnage, Ant-Man, Wolverine, Thor, oh wait, no, Captain America. Black Panther, Cable, Dagger, War Machine, and 35. Falcon, Medusa, Captain America, Jean Grey, and one last one, but pretty much it was just 35. Loki, Hulk, Doctor Strange, Spider-Woman, 9. Doctor Strange, Medusa, Spider-Man, Magneto, and Hyperon, Hercules, Cyclops. Alright, so I'm gonna end up with that one. I'll see you guys later.